Now stimulation here. Stimulation available gates. Yes. Here you have to only select that gate. You have to connecting all this gate. Yes, all of you, please mute your mic. Here. Yes, on the screen, you will get AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, Y connector, green LED, digital switch, connections. These are the different options: start stimulation, stop stimulation, reset, and it is a truth table for 2S21 multiplexer. Now see here, we require to design 2S21 multiplexer, two AND gates. Let's just drag and drop, select the AND gate. Here AND gate number 1, yes, AND gate number 2. At the output side, we require the one OR gate. It is the OR gate. Yes, we require the one inverter, NOT gate. Inverter, NOT gate. We require the one NOT. These are the logic gates we have to require. We require here one Y connector. Y connector here we require. Now green LED. It is the output side. To check the output, it is a green LED. Digital switches. One is for the D0. Second one for the D1, and third switch for the inverter. These are the components. You have to just drag and drop. Select the components. Select the gates are available and put here. Now connection. You have to connect this input. Just make the connection. Connect the output to that green LED. Here these are the inputs you are going to connect for the AND gate, second AND gate. Yes, it is very simple. Just you have to make the connection. You have to connect this output of that inverter for the AND gate number 1. And as it is, to the AND gate number 2. These are the connection. Yes, I will repeat the connection once again. Now it is these are the digital switches. 1, 2, 3. These are the digital switches. 2 AND gates. Inputs for AND gate. One, it is a input D0. See here D0. Second one is the D1. And other input direct connection from the select line. When select line is equal to 1, it is going to connect here. Select line is equal to 0, it is going to connect here. And output of these gates, output of this gate connected to the inputs for OR gate, and output of OR gate, it is a final output. Now start the stimulation. Yes, now see here, when select line is equal to 0, when select line is equal to 0, output is D0, check here. When select line is equal to 0, select line, it is a disable. When there is a green light, it is a enable. See here, what is the on condition for this stimulation? When there is a green light, it is a on condition. Now it is a 0 when d0 is equal to 1. D0 is equal to 1. We get the output. Final y is equal to, here y is equal to d0. When select line is equal to 1, select line is equal to 1, at that time you will get d1 as output. You will get the d1 as output. In this way you have to check the stimulation. You can design the circuit for 2S21 multiplexer. I will repeat once again, working of this stimulation. See here, all these are the off. Yes, all these are does not green, it is off condition. When first option, select line is equal to 0. Now select line is equal to 0. This is a select line with the help of this inverter. This is a select line is equal to 0. When D0 will be the on, it is a D0. D0 it will be the on. You get the output y is equal to D0. And when for the second, for the D1 condition, select line is equal to 1. Select line is equal to 1. Yes, at that time D1 is equal to 1. You get the output. Here you will get the output. D1 is equal to 1. Yes, in this way it will work. It is very simple. For each experiment, this stimulation is available. Here components, logic gates are available. You have to only just choose which logic gate you have to require, make the connection as per the circuit diagram, logic diagram, and start the stimulation. Yes, after that, next part, post test. Now after getting the idea of this experiment, you have to check you will get the concept or not. For the understanding purpose, to verify all of you understand the concept of multiplexer or not. This is a one simple test here. The 2S1 multiplexer using basic gates with active low enable. See here, with active low enable. Enable is present in this circuit. Input can be built using options are 2 AND gate, 2 NOT gate, 1 OR gate. These are the different options are available. When there is a enable is present, we require the 2 NOT gate. So correct answer is 2 AND gate, 2 NOT gate, and 1 OR gate. If you are not going to use the enable, at that time we require the only 1 NOT gate. So correct answer is A. With the help of this enable, for the enable we require the 2 NOT gates. Second, select the output when select lines are S2, S1 is equal to 1 and S0 is equal to 0. One one zero, it is a in binary 110. What is the value of the 110 in binary? Yes, what is the value of the 110 in binary? 110, it is a, yes, it is a 6. It is example of 8:1 mux for the select line 110, that is the D6. It is going to connect to the output, and D6 it is connected to the ground. D6 it is connected to the ground. So you get the answer y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. 8 is the correct answer. Next, there is one example. Identify the circuit shown below. You have to identify the circuit. You have to identify the circuit. What is here? D0, D1, D2, D3. These are the 4 inputs and only one output Y. So it is an example of 4:1 multiplexer. It is with the help of multiplexer tree. It is a multiplexer tree. We can design the multiplexer, higher order multiplexer, higher order mux with the help of lower order mux. Here 4:1, it is designed by with the help of the 3 2:1. First one, second one, and third. And for these are the two select lines for the 4:1. These are the A and B. They will acting as the select line for the 4:1 mux. So it is a example of the multiplexer tree, and correct answer is the 4:1. Yes, submit the quiz. Here you get the 5 out of 5. Yes, in this way, we complete this experiment. There are the different references. These are the different references are available. In this way, you can perform the different experiment with the help of this virtual lab. In the same way, for your homework, yes, you can design demultiplexer using basic logic gates. Again, same there is the aim, theory, pre-test, procedure, simulation, post-test, and references. Yes, all of you, when you get the time, yes, you solve that pre-test. After that procedure, let's go through all these parts. I think all of it clear regarding to how to use the virtual. Main purpose or main motto of this workshop or this session is all of you understand how to use the virtual lab at your home. You can perform the different practicals, yes, with the help of this virtual lab. Now, if you have any question, you can ask the question regarding to this virtual lab or how to perform the experiment. Yes, you have any doubt? Yes, if you have any question, any doubt in your mind, so ask the question or raise your hand. Is all of clear how to use this virtual lab?
Yes, sir.
Hello? 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 Yes, all of you clear how to use this virtual lab? How to?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So at your home, you can try for these different experiments based on this virtual lab. Yes. In the same way, you can perform the practicals based on other subjects also. See here, under the electrical engineering, these are the different labs are available. See here, electrical machine lab, real-time embedded system lab. These are the different labs are the available. Industrial automation lab. The main purpose of this session, all of you must understand about the how to use the virtual lab. I think all of you clear how to use this virtual lab. Thank you for attending this session. Yes, next session of your that Scilab will start soon. It will be report on or link. It is already shared. Yes, check your WhatsApp group and join the session of Scilab after the 4 to 5 minutes. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session of the virtual lab of the digital technique or digital electronics. Thank you.